Step 5 now, we're almost to the end. After we have marked the waist, we know what side of the line that we're going to cut on. We want to cut slightly big and then sand down to the line to give our accurate length. Obviously, this is when you get to use your saws to cut this timber to a slightly longer length than you need. We use our bench hooks normally in the vise on our workbenches. In this case, I'm just using a bench hook on a normal table. It can still be used, but it's not held as strongly as if it was in a vise, but it will still work. Place the piece of wood flat down on the bench hook. We're going to be using a tenon saw, which is specifically designed for cutting across the grain of the timber. It has a stiffening rib along the top to make sure the saw stays straight, and it has fairly fine teeth so that you can get a pretty accurate and a cut that's close to the line. So I'm going to just cut maybe 2 or 3 millimeters on the waist side of the line. Normal start by drawing the tenon saw back towards us a couple of times to create a starting point, and then gradually dropping the handle until I'm cutting horizontally. And you can see that I'm cutting 3 millimeters, 2 millimeters on the waist side of the line. So let's continue that cut. Set myself and just finish with some short strokes to make sure you don't tear the grain. And what we should see is the line visible all the way around with just 1, 2, 3 millimeters at the most that we can easily sand off. So that's how you cut on the waist side of the line.